What's the meaning of break-in? Break-in. Break-in.
Break-in. Break-in. The term break-in typically refers to the process of forcefully entering a building or structure without permission. This can result in damage to property and compromise the security of the location. In some cases, break-ins can lead to theft, vandalism, or violence. The consequences of a break-in can be detrimental, causing emotional distress, financial loss, and a sense of violation. It is important to take precautions to prevent break-ins, such as installing security systems and reinforcing entry points, in order to avoid these negative outcomes.